My name is Zoe Lofgren. I represent the 19th Congressional District in California, which is in Silicon Valley. I'm here for my first visit to the show, and I was on a panel on immigration this morning, and I'm going to do a little tour this afternoon before I head back to San Jose. Well, the H1B visa program has some problems. I mean, for one thing, the wage scale is a bit off, so that existing American engineers can be disgruntled because of the way the wage system is set up by the Department of Labor. It's really not even the company's fault. It's structural in the program. So that needs to be reformed. But the other problem for our country is that it's temporary. And we have to compete for the best people in the world. I've met people, I'll just give you an example of a fellow I met a number of years ago who did his undergraduate degree at Harvard, and he got his PhD at Stanford, and then he did his practical training, and then he got his H1B, and he had it extended. Well, I mean, okay, there's 4 years undergraduate, and then there were 7 years for the PhD, and then there was another 1.5 years for the training, and then 6 years of the H1B. And he's saying, you know, when am I ever going to have permanency? You know, I kept saying, well, give us a chance, don't give up on us. But he was getting offers from people all over the world. Why should he stay here if he can't have a future here? The real competitive approach is to offer legal permanent residence to people who want to stay here. And that includes people starting companies, whether they're high-tech companies or low-tech companies, so long as they're creating good jobs for Americans. Oftentimes, usually the opponents of immigration try and create divisions among the various elements. And so you'll have people who support business immigration saying, well, we should just do that, but not deal with the problems in family immigration. That's really a mistake. If you take a look at how did Sergey Brin get here? Because his parents were refugees. I mean, how did Jerry Yang end up in the United States? He didn't come as a PhD student. He grew up in East San Jose. His mom was the immigrant. How did Andy Grove get here? He didn't get here because he got his PhD. He was a refugee. So immigration actually has been great for our country. Let's not turn our back on something that built the country.